Fried chicken has always been a favorite comfort food of many, and I'm sure you've had some delicious ones. But have you tried the Korean fried chicken? It's moist, tender, and juicy on the inside, and extremely crispy on the outside. What's the secret? Let's find out. Let's start marinating the chicken. So I'm gonna transfer it to a big bowl. Add the ginger, sesame oil, and then you mix it using your hand. And you marinate this in the fridge for 1 hour. Let's prepare the sweet and sticky sauce. I'm going to add the water, brown sugar, soy sauce, white vinegar, gochujang sauce, okay, if you want spicy, you can always add more, but I want it mild spice, so I'm just putting about a tablespoon, and then you whisk it until everything is well combined. Just continue whisking it until the sugar is dissolved. Okay. Turn on the heat to medium and let it simmer until the sauce is thickened. So I'm just gonna check the sauce if it's already thickened. Okay, so we're looking for the coating consistency. Okay, a little more. It will probably take another 5 minutes. I'm gonna check it one more time. Okay, this is the consistency of the sauce that I'm looking for. I'm going to turn up the heat and I'm going to set it aside. We're gonna start heating the oil first because it will take time. So I'm going to use Baguio pure coconut oil. Turn on the heat to medium. While waiting for the oil, let's prepare our chicken. So I'm just gonna put everything on the tray. Okay, just gonna... And then I'm going to season it with salt. Pepper. Season the other side as well. The chicken is ready. Now we're going to mix our cornstarch and our all-purpose flour. And we're going to add baking powder. Baking powder creates very tiny air bubbles on the surface of the chicken when it's placed in hot oil. It's gonna give you a lighter and crispier fried chicken. So mix everything together. Okay, and season your breading with salt. It's very important to season it so that your chicken will not have a bland taste. Okay, so I'm just going to set this aside. It's okay. Okay, so I have my chicken here, eggs, and then the breading. And then the oil is ready and we're gonna start frying. So make sure the oil is really hot. Okay, so I'm just gonna check it. You can add some flour. Okay, if the flour starts to bubble, then your oil is ready. So I'm going to dip the chicken into the eggs. Our crispy fried chicken is perfectly cooked, so I'm going to divide it into two. The other one, I'm just gonna keep it original, and for the other one, I'm gonna coat it with the sauce that we made earlier. So I'm going to reheat the sauce. Let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. The sauce is starting to simmer. Now I'm going to add our chicken. We're gonna coat the chicken with the sauce. Okay, the chicken is perfectly coated with the sauce, so I'm going to turn off the heat and I'm going to transfer it to a serving plate. Now let's have a taste of our fried chicken. I'm gonna start with the original flavor. Oops, sorry. Can you hear that crunch? It's so crunchy. I'm sorry, I'm still enjoying this fried chicken. It's really good. This fried chicken is mouth-watering and crunchy. You will enjoy the crispy skin together with its chicken juicy meat, and you will keep reaching out for more. So good. Now I'm gonna try the other flavor, the one that we coated with a sauce. Okay. I'm speechless. It's sweet, salty, a little bit of spice, and there's still crunch into it. It's so good. I just want to enjoy eating them.